Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. I'm just coming to do a quick video and it's an informative video. I'm not going to go into all of the massive amount of detail that's available on this subject, but I am just covering the issue of COPPA, which is a new law that's it's a law that's in America, and it affects YouTube creators. And basically it affects whether your channel is made for kids or not. Now I have my channel, through the settings, I have my channel set as not for kids. You know, my channel is for crafting and creating, and it's aimed at adults, really, to be honest. Now YouTube define the kids as being from 13 and under, so from above that age, then they don't class that as a child. What I make is really aimed for much older than that. It's not really aimed for children. I do my journals, and also I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so my channel is focused very much on that. It is definitely not a kids channel. Okay, none of my content is aimed at children. However, the rulings on this are so vague at the moment because it's so new that I just felt I had to come and really quickly talk about it. Because even if you have thumbnails on which show bright colours, for example, here's the new Stampin' Up catalogue. I just got to plug it, haven't I? A shameless plug. This is coming out in January, but it's bright and it's bold and it's fun. So they are saying basically that could be indicative of trying to encourage children to watch your videos, and then you would be in breach, even though all of my videos are marked clearly as not for children. Okay, so we don't quite know how all of this is going to pan out yet. Okay, it's quite new, but there are quite strict fines, let's be honest. So I don't know how this is going to affect me or how it's going to affect anybody yet. I don't want to scaremonger, and I'm not one to follow a scaremongering kind of crowd. But what I would just like to say is, in the meantime, if you enjoy the content that I create, make sure that you are following some of my other social media, because in the unlikely event, you just never know, that this channel is taken down or YouTube just randomly wipes out a load of channels, and you know, you wake up one day and my channel's gone, then you can follow me in other ways. I'm on Facebook, I have a blog, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Pinterest. So follow the links below in the description box, and please make sure that you're following me on an alternative form of social media, just in case something ever happens to this channel. Alright, so that you can get hold of me, so that you can continue to follow what I do. Because what I do, I share in lots of other places other than YouTube. You know, and there has been a fear for a very long time that the fantasticness of YouTube would one day come to an end. So I don't want to put all of my eggs in one basket. Okay, I'm not going to go to the mad extreme of downloading all my videos. Okay, I've got over 1,000. My computer wouldn't save that many videos, so if something happens to the channel, those videos are gone. Okay, that's just tough. My blog's still there, my pictures are there, I've saved to Pinterest, lots, you know, I've got lots of other areas, and I would just continue to create in a different way and reach you in a different way. But what I'm urging everybody who follows me, very, very important, make sure you go in that description box below and follow one of my other forms of social media. As I say, I do my blog. I don't blog every day. I'm not a massive blogger, but if something happened to YouTube, I can upload videos on there. Okay, so there's more than one way to do things. The other area where I am very, very prolific is over on Facebook, where I have my personal page and I also have a Stampin' Up business page. So the link to that is in the description box below. Okay, and also, as I say, my Pinterest as well. So come on over, make sure you are following me in more than just YouTube, because we just never know what the future holds when it comes to YouTube. I doubt that it would disappear fully because it generates so much money for YouTube. Okay, it generates money all over the world, so I can't see them shutting the whole thing down, as it were. But we just don't know how this new COPPA is going to affect individual channels. As I say, I have set all of my videos to not made for kids, because they're not. None of my videos are aimed at children. But there you go. So, the moral of the story, description box below. Make sure you're following me on some other form of my social media, just in case I wouldn't like to lose you as a follower. Okay, so there you go. It's all very complicated. I don't really understand it fully, but we've got to cover all bases and just be careful. I agree, totally agree with the theory behind the laws, which is ultimately to protect children. Absolutely agree with it. My young daughter is allowed to go on YouTube, but her account is linked through mine, so I get notifications of everything that she, all the channels that she's subscribed to. When they upload, I get notification of it. I know what my child's watching. If she puts any comments on anything and she gets a comment back, I get the notification of it to my email, so I know what my child's doing. But there are some children that are unsupervised, and there are unsuitable things, and people will certainly take advantage of children, and not always just in an unsavoury way, but in getting the details, in merchandising, in selling, in making money out of them, as well as the more sinister things. So there so I do agree with the ruling, and if to protect children that means that my channel goes, then fine, that's all right. At the end of the day, it's not the end of the world. I've worked hard on my channel, but the safety of children is important, and so if I am one of the casualties, as it were, then so be it. But I'd hate to lose my followers, so follow me somewhere else, just in case. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye!